Hey guys, I'm coming at you with another one. I have a new item alert that's gonna be hitting my website and I can't wait for y'all to see it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Welcome back. So today I am showing you some new items that I am adding to my website. Look, trial and error, we're gonna see. I really love these items, so I don't know which one of these are gonna be staples on my website and which one of these are gonna be sold and gone and I'm probably never gonna buy them again, but we're gonna see. I am adding to my website some purses. All right, so I bought 3 different style purses. One style I got in 3 different colors because I really liked it, but let me show you guys these different purses that I got. So this style is really casual. It's not like super high class, just a nice little cute little purse that you can purchase. This one will be on my website. I'm just trying them out for right now. So this is how big it is. It has zippers on the side, a zipper in the front, and a zipper in the back. And of course it does come with the straps to go on the purse. Pretty big inside. It does have some pockets in there as well. But this one's just a loose kind of purse, casual, everyday kind of purse. You can just toss your stuff inside and go about your day. This one I think my vendor has in green, which is the one I'm gonna have on the website, and gray as well, which is gonna be really cute. I can't wait to get the gray one in as well and post that one. So this is going to be on my website. I also have this black purse, which I thought was really cute. Let me put these straps on it. This black purse with this like burnt orange kind of brown color to it. It's super cute. This is how big it is. It has a latched front. This part at the top does zip. It doesn't stay open. And then of course it has a zipper on the back for you. And this one also does come with a strap so you can wear it on your shoulder. And this one came with a little keychain kind of fluffy ball thing as well that I'm gonna leave in there. It does have, you know, some pockets here for all of the different things that you guys need, and it's definitely big enough. I would use this purse. I can fit all my little kids stuff in it and all of that because Lord knows I carry their stuff around everywhere with me. So this is another purse that I'm going to be adding to the website. And let me think. This style purse, that was 2 styles. So this style purse I have 2 different colors in. Let me show you one color. This, ooh, I'm about to drop everything. This purse here, this hot pink color, y'all. So cute. Gold details. I love gold. I'm all about gold. Y'all know my whole brand is black and gold, so I love that. It has a little latch hook on here where you can tighten the straps and hook them too. If you want to loosen up the straps, loosening up the straps in the front make the purse open wider on this purse. And of course it has this little strap on the inside for you to wear it on your shoulder if you like, or you could just wear it as a little, you know, purse like this and you can go around town looking all cute. This purse is really cute. I can't wait to add this one to my website. I think this one's probably going to do better than the other purses, but we gonna see. This one I have right now in pink. I have this one in orange. All these nice spring colors, which is what's popping right now, spring and summer. I have it in this orange color. It comes with the same things inside. So this one. And I have it in this white, cream white kind of color, which is super cute too, with the gold details. And it comes with the strap on the inside as well, the white strap. So these are some things that I'm going to be adding to my website. This is going to be like super cute. I already got, you know, my sisters claiming purses that they want and stuff, so stay tuned. I will be adding different styles. Hopefully some do better, and if some do worse, then it might go on sale. I don't know, I might not sell it no more, but you guys better grab it while you can. Check out my website, because I'm going to be adding a few different things on there as well. And I'm going to be on YouTube sharing, you know, all the new things that I'm adding and my new ventures coming up soon in 2020. I'm trying to sell everything under the sun, to be honest. Anything beauty related, I want to be selling on my website. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned, check this out on my website. The link is going to be below with all of the prices of all of the purses and styles. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.